James.
Good morning, James.
Good morning, Mom.
It is a new day.
The sun is bright.
Today is a school day.
Okay, Mom.
Are you ready?
Yes, I think so. Mom, my tooth moves. It is wiggly.
Let me see, James.
Okay, Mom.
Yes, it is a loose tooth.
Is it bad?
No, it is normal. Your new tooth will come later.
Oh, okay. I will brush my teeth. I will be careful of my teeth. My tooth is still moving. I brush softly. All done. I am ready for my school.
Sit down, please.
Good morning, James.
Good morning, Dad. My tooth is loose.
Oh, a wiggly tooth.
Yes, it is normal. Chew slowly today. Be careful with hard food.
Okay, Dad. I will chew slowly. The juice is sweet.
Eat a little more, James.
Okay, Mom.
Here is your lunch.
Thank you, Mom.
And an apple.
Okay. The apple is hard.
You can eat it slowly, or eat the sandwich first, then the apple.
Okay, Mom.
Put on your jacket.
Okay. Are we ready?
Yes, Dad.
Okay, let's go.
I feel excited of my teeth.
That is good.
Today day of school will be fun.
Have a good day, James.
Okay, Mom.
I will pick you up later.
Yes, Mom.
There are many children. I will be brave and scared of my teeth.
Hi, James. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hi, Sam. Hi, Mia.
My tooth is loose today. Really, wow. Are you okay? Yes, I am okay, but a little bit scared. The bell is ringing. Let's go to class.
Okay, let's go.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, teacher. Good morning.
Good morning.
I am in my seat. I feel okay now. We are ready.
Yes, class time.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Miss Sarah.
Sit nicely, please. James?
Here, teacher.
Thank you, James. A,
A,
B,
B,
C.
C.
James, are you okay?
Yes, teacher. My tooth is loose.
Okay, don't touch it too much. Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4,
5.
4, 5.
I write slowly.
Your letters look good.
Thank you, Sam.
Good work, James.
Thank you, teacher.
Keep going.
Teacher, may I drink water?
Yes, James. Go and come back.
The water feels good. My tooth still moves.
Now we draw a happy face. Draw big eyes and a smile.
I like drawing. I draw a big smile. My tooth feels strange. Teacher, my tooth feels more loose.
Okay, James. Don't worry. It can happen.
I feel a little scared.
Break time now.
Yay! Come on, James. Let's play.
Okay, but my tooth is loose.
It is okay. We play gently. Catch! I got it.
I will not run too fast.
Good idea.
Do you want candy? No, thank you. My tooth is loose. Oh, yes. Sorry.
Are you okay now?
Yes, a little better.
Your tooth will fall soon, maybe.
Maybe. I feel nervous again.
You can tell the teacher.
Yes, I will.
It is snack time. Eat quietly, please.
I am hungry. The apple is hard. I will eat my sandwich first. Slowly. I take a small bite. Very small. Is it okay?
I don't know. Ouch! My tooth!
James, stop eating.
Are you hurt?
Here, take this tissue.
Thank you, teacher.
My tooth feels very loose.
Are you scared, James?
Yes, a little. Hello, James. What happened?
My tooth hurts.
His tooth is very loose. Hold this on your cheek.
It is cold.
It will help.
Thank you. I feel calmer.
James, look at me. You are safe.
Okay, I am safe.
We are here with you. Can you open your mouth?
Yes, like this?
Yes, good. The tooth is very loose. Breathe in. Breathe out.
I am breathing.
Good job, James.
It is moving more.
It feels very funny.
That is normal.
Don't push it. Sit here, James. Hold the tissue softly.
Okay, I will sit.
We wait together.
Will my tooth fall now?
Maybe soon.
I feel scared.
I stay with you. Take a small sip of water.
Okay, a small sip.
I swallow slowly. Good, James.
Something fell. My tooth?
Yes, James. Your tooth fell out.
I feel scared.
It is okay.
You did it.
My tooth is out. Look, this is your tooth.
It is so small.
You are very brave, James.
Really? I am brave?
Press this gently here.
Like this?
Yes, very good. A little blood is normal. I will call your mom now. Okay, you are doing well, James.
Please tell her I am okay.
Hello, Anna. This is Miss Sarah. Hello, teacher. Is James okay? Yes, his tooth fell out at school. Oh, I am coming. Your mom is coming, James.
Okay, I want a hug.
Yes, you will get a hug soon.
My mouth feels funny now.
That feeling will go away.
I feel a little proud.
You should feel proud. James!
Mom!
Oh, my sweet boy.
My tooth fell out. I was scared.
I know, James. You are safe now. I feel better with you.
Look, Mom! My tooth!
Wow, James.
Your first tooth fell out.
Yes, it really happened. He is okay. No hard food today.
Thank you, nurse. Thank you for helping me.
Welcome home, James.
Hi, James. Dad! Lily, look!
My tooth fell out at school.
Really? Wow!
Let me see, James.
He was very brave.
Open your mouth, please. I see the gap.
Your smile looks funny and cute. Soft food today, James?
Yes, Mom. Soup is soft. Chew on the other side.
Okay, Dad.
I bit the apple very softly. Then my tooth moved a lot.
And it fell out in the tissue.
We are proud of you.
James, keep it safe.
What is this?
A tooth box.
Wow. Thank you, Lily.
I brush softly again. I have a tooth gap now. It feels strange, but okay. Mom, what do I do with my tooth?
We can keep it in the box.
Under my pillow?
Yes, if you want.
James, you were brave today. Maybe you will get a small surprise.
A surprise? Maybe. I put it here, under my pillow.
Good. Now sleep.
Okay, Mom.
Good night, James.
Good night, Mom. Thank you for coming to school.
Always, my love.
Good job, James. Sleep well.
Morning! My pillow! Is it there? Wow! I got a coin! My tooth is gone and the coin is here! Wow! I got a coin! My tooth is gone and the coin is here! Mom! Dad, look! Wow, James!
That is amazing.
Congrats, Tooth Hero!
How do you feel today?
I feel happy.
You learned something.
Yes, I am brave.
My tooth fell out. I was scared, but I was brave.
We love you, James.
We are proud of you.
You are our brave boy.
I love you, family.